Meaning of germicidal.
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 Germicidal. Germicidal is an adjective that describes something that has the ability to kill germs or microorganisms. Germicidal products, such as disinfectants and sanitizers, are commonly used in medical facilities, laboratories, and other environments where maintaining a sterile environment is essential. The use of germicidal products helps to prevent the spread of infection and disease. Some common types of germicidal agents include ultraviolet light, chlorine, and hydrogen peroxide. When used properly, these agents can effectively eliminate harmful bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, making the environment safer and more hygienic for human use.